Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about best code editors. So guys, now let's begin. If you want to get into code, then first thing you have to find best code editor. So there are many code editor in the world, but finding best code editor is difficult. So guys, that's why I have made this video. So in this video I'm telling you about best code editor. In our list, first one is VS Code editor. It is most popular code editor in the world. It is used by 70% developers. If you want to do code in many languages, then VS Code editor is best for you. You can do web development, Android development, and many more. VS Code editor have best features that you won't find it any other text editor. So in our list, next one is Pychart. If you are Python developer, then Python will be best. With Python you can do Python development. There are two versions of Python, professional and community. So in professional version you can do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python, many more, but it's not free. In community version you can do only Python and HTML, and it's free. So guys, Python community version is free and Python professional version is not free. So professional version have more features than community version. So guys, if you can afford professional version, then you can download professional version, but if you can't, then you can download community version. In our list, next one is Sublime Text editor. It is simple text editor. So guys, if you just started to code, then Sublime will be best. So guys, it is the most fastest text editor. So guys, Sublime Text editor doesn't have features as VS Code, but it's best for beginners. So in Sublime you can do many codes like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and many more. But it's simple and friendly for beginners. In our list, the last one is Atom. Atom is created by GitHub and it is also most used text editor. Oh, it is not in the top, but it's great. So guys, now that's it for now. So guys, now thanks for watching this video guys. Now I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, now if you want to get more programming and computer related video, then guys please subscribe to this channel and yes, press the bell icon. So guys, now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.